Kani kadai ke Patisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan rasyapi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Henne kasngi ka santarek mentau naiweng arjakat pra. Rengkat barok koi kari. Hakani ke jela jungiru larakhe. Ya kasngi bakarpang haka wai nikirkom sumar nongpang. Ya ka balatep kom ka third National Ayurveda Day. Ya kani ke Jingrakhe hakani nong ba Shillong la pelong. Da ka wai nikir jika pulih ka balatep kom ka North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy Shillong. Bat hakani kasngi lawan sakhilang ru da ka Dean Barim jong ka Ayurveda BHU Varanasi ka Dr. PV Tiwari. Kabalalong kom ka kongsan hakani ke Jingrakhe kat baki arngot ki bala sakar sobha kom ki sembot kongsan sakani ke Jingrakhe ki kentop ya ka editor jong ka kot khobor The Shillong Times ikong Patricia Mukhem bat u director jong ka North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences u Dr. DM Thappa ya kani kasngi lasdang ne ke je ko marathon ka por mustam haka balai shimenta de ki samla pule jogani ke jika pule.
So my idea is that there are many ways the concept of public health is being transmitted even daily news. You see the media, hand washing is being promoted, breastfeeding to stop the problem of diarrhea in children. So the vaccinations, now it's happening for the various age groups, the measles, mumps, rubella vaccinations. These are all part of our public health strategies, how to take control of the things, and then how to transmit the public health messages which can control the disease even at a primary health center levels, which may be populated by allopath or a Ayurveda person. It does not make difference. The public health issues remains the same. So my idea was of talking to you was that thing only, that what is means by public health is basically the surveillance of the diseases in the population and the interventions which we undertake to control those